Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how to prepare chicken fried rice that does not stick, exactly what you see on the screen. And also in this video I share with you how to prepare your frozen chicken such that it does not have frozen smell, frozen flavor or taste. So let's dive into it, everyone. First, I will wash the chicken. Keep watching and see what I do to remove the frozen flavor. So to remove the frozen flavor, I boil hot water, but do not bring it to a boil. Once it gets hot, add it to your already washed chicken and cover for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, all I do is to gently pour out the water, the warm water, and then run a clean water and rinse it properly. Doing this helps to reduce the frozen smell or the frozen flavor or taste your chicken gets sometimes because it stays in the frozen house for a long time. So after that, I will transfer to a clean point, and to marinate, I add chopped onions, thyme, curry powder, some parsley, dry parsley, salt to taste, chicken seasoning, and then my blended mixture, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and after that I'll mix to combine and then cover and put in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Next day, I'll transfer it into a bigger pot and allow it to cook for medium flame for 40 minutes. It's a soft chicken. So for our fried rice ingredients, we have all the veggies: green pepper, carrot, green pea, fried gizzard, fried liver. All the quantities of ingredients used in this video will be at the description box, and I have red bell pepper, fresh garlic, ginger, thyme, garlic, sweet corn, salt to taste, some onions. Hello everyone. Obviously we're not going to use all that onions. Then I have chicken seasoning, curry powder, some vegetable oil to do the frying. So while that is aside, let's check our chicken. It is properly cooked now, so I will gently transfer it into a strainer. You notice how greenish the water is, so this water is very tasty for our fried rice. Keep watching and don't go away. So I will transfer this into a strainer and set it aside. Hello, thanks so much, Jenny subscribers, for your wonderful support. So the next day I placed the chicken stock on fire, then add my mixture, my green mixture that I made with green pepper, parsley leaf, and some green peas. Then I add a salt, set it aside, allow it to cook while it is on fire. Next, I wash the rice. Some love to parboil, but I love to cook my rice from the scratch such that the rice gets to cook with the chicken stock. After washing it properly, the next thing I do is to take it and start to add it into the already boiled chicken stock on fire, exactly what you see on the screen. After transferring the already washed rice into the stock, I will cover to cook for 30 minutes. While that is aside, let's start to fry our chicken. So while the pot gets hot, I add vegetable oil. When it gets hot, I add some chopped onions to give flavor or add flavor to the chicken, and once it's ready, I'll start frying the chicken step by step. Fry it until you fry all the chicken used for your party fried rice. And once it gets ready, dry enough, I'll set it aside. This chicken will be marinated with pepper off camera. if you want to learn how to marinate your chicken with pepper or pepper chicken, I will leave the link to that on the description box. So next, I'll check the rice. You notice the water is dried, but it is not properly cooked. So everyone, you can see the color of this rice already. This is not artificial color. This is natural color, everyone. So keep watching and don't go away. I'll add some water to this and cover to cook for another 10 minutes. While this is aside, let's fry the veggies. So once the pot gets hot, I add my vegetable oil, add my chopped onion, stir fry for a second, and then begins to add the veggies. My number one veggies I always add is the carrot, because carrot is crunchier, and also the green peas. This too is a bit harder, and then the green beans, spring onions, green pepper, some chopped cabbage, my scotch bonnet pepper, my fried liver, and my gizzard, then some curry powder and seasoning, and then begin to stir to combine. Mix this on a medium flame. And while that is aside, let's check the rice. Now the rice is properly cooked, as you can see. So the next thing we're going to do is to begin to transfer it into the vegetable step by step. So keep watching. After I fry the vegetables, the veggies, this is it. After frying them, I'm still adding some of the ingredients, like my sweet corn will be the last thing I will add there. So frying your rice this method makes it to remain, it stands, it does not stick, especially if it is for a party. When you fry it using this method, it makes the rice to remain, it stands, and then it does not get sour easily. Give it a try and give me your comments at the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you've not done so. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. So at this point, I'll begin to transfer the rice into the veggie and mix to combine on a medium flame for 10 minutes, and after that it will be transferred into a cooler and our fried rice is ready, everyone. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this method, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share my videos to your friends and families, and thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and if you've watched my video up to this point, thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, why not subscribe and share the video to your friends and family. Alright, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.